Hello YouTube. Today I'll be showing you something a little bit different. This is a Vector 12 volt travel cooler and warmer. It just basically stores your food and such. Let me show you what it looks like on the inside. As you can tell, it's empty. There's a little bit of weight at the top, but I don't think there's anything up there I'm going to worry about. However, there's a nice little pan in here. I'm guessing it's probably going to be stainless steel or aluminum. I doubt it's aluminum though, because of all the recent concerns about it and stuff. So, let's do this. First of all, I'm just going to be undoing these screws at the top here. Those things are going to come out. Let's try these. Yeah, I don't know why. Take off my gloves because it's a bit tricky. There we go. Just takes a bit of muscle. Oh man. So yeah, I've removed the top two screws and also this little tiny little bracket. I got the top off. All it is just a big piece of foam. Now for the main piece here. I'm going to undo these two pieces to get a little bit of extra steel. Alright, I removed the two pieces. I just pulled them off because they just take too long to remove them by hand, and they'll still accept these as steel. So now I will attempt to undo 5 Phillips head screws inside the dish. As you can tell, that's done. That was extremely easy. So now I'm going to remove this side here, which has all the components for the heating and cooling. All we need to do is just remove a couple screws that holds this case on, and we'll go from there. Alright, now that that's done, just pull this straight off. And this heatsink comes right off. And then our fan here. Should come off as well. So, to remove the fan, looks like we just have to undo 2 screws. So there's an inside basket here. If you can move it, this appears to be some kind of piece of aluminum. And then if you can remove that, then that's great. I'm not going to show it on camera, it's going to take too long. And of course we got ourselves our piece of aluminum attached to some kind of cooling block. Which requires, actually it looks like a heating block. The fan is for the cooling. If we can see, there are 2 screws right there that we need to get off. There's one. And we got ourselves a clean piece of aluminum, ready to go at a scrapyard. Put that in with your computer heat sinks. And we got ourselves some kind of block of aluminum, but this is dirty because it has some pieces of steel attached to it. But look at that. It's now another piece of clean aluminum. If you want, you might want to clean off some of that grease. If you want. This doesn't get on your hands like it did on mine. Here's a little insulation piece that goes with our plastic. And then we got ourselves our motor. And there's our copper bearing motor. Let's again try to get it off. Okay, there's a piece of plastic, and we got 2 screws to remove. And there we go. That's a nice clean piece of copper motor. Looks like I broke off the switch piece. See? That was a switch. Right there. But this piece is a low grade. Just snip off the wires that hold it attached to the other pieces. And there's a nice little low piece, low grade. Nothing on the back, just some traces and some solder joints. And there's some wire, more plastic. Looks like that's a little thermostat that might have some silver contacts in it. I've never cracked it open though. Cracked open other pieces, but not that one. So yeah, it's a little thermostat. Might go with your switches. And of course we got our piece of aluminum here. It's dirty. Actually no, that's ceramic. Little piece of ceramic. So that can go with our the way it's shined looks like aluminum, so yeah, it's a piece of aluminum. Ceramic kind of heater element, heating element. But it's just going to go with my dirty aluminum. There's some wire there. And of course our main attraction, if we can get it off. Looks like not, so this piece, you could put this in with your dirty aluminum, but you would get an extremely low price, or maybe even your aluminum boat, which means it has lots of foam and insulation on it. But I'm just going to throw it into my trash because it's not worth my time, and my scrapyard doesn't accept that kind of material. So yeah, that's about it. So in short, tiny little low grade board, a little bit of wire, a lot of plastic, a little piece of aluminum, some bigger aluminum heat sinks, and one little motor. So yeah, in short, it is worth scrapping, doesn't take too long, and it's pretty easy to accumulate some material. So yeah, hope you found that video useful and maybe even interesting. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.